Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. We are back with another yearly tradition, and this is the iPhone launch day, or as I like to call it, the day that Apple makes a bleep ton of money day. And so today I'm going to be unboxing for you the new iPhone XS Max. This is the big boy out of the bunch. So as I'm taking the cover off of this box and just lifting the top lid off, we are presented with some documentation. I'm not going to go inside of that. We don't need none of that stuff. And underneath that, we're going to actually find the phone, which I'm going to place to the side for now. And underneath the phone, we're going to find a couple of things, and one of those is going to be the wall charger. But just like last year, this new iPhone XS Max does not come with a charger out of the box that will allow you to actually fast charge your phone. You either buy another one from Apple or buy one from another third party, and when you're spending over $1,000, I'm always going to hammer this in, you should not have to worry about this and spend more money anywhere else. You should be able to have that ability to be able to fast charge right out of the box. So Apple definitely needs to fix this. So anyway, let's get to the rest of the unboxing. Underneath the headphones, you will find the lightning cable, and that's all the things inside of the box. So I'm gonna set that to the side, and now we're gonna take our look at the phone and start getting this thing undressed. So I'm gonna start taking the plastic wrapping off, and this is always a good feeling when you're unboxing something, especially the phone, to really kind of just get it naked for the first time. And so this year I liked to go with the gold color option, and I'm pretty happy with my choice as it looks really good. I just really like the way it shimmers in the sunlight, and it's not, you know, really pinkish gold like I felt like it was in the past, but it's kind of grown on me, so I started to like it more and more. But anyway, taking a tour around this phone, you're going to find on the bottom the speaker grills and also the lightning port, and on the right hand side you will find the power button and also the SIM tray, which is going to be just housing one SIM card, but Apple does have eSIM capabilities now, so you can now have two numbers, and that's going to be software based and depending on your carrier. And then on the left hand side you're going to find the mute switch and the volume buttons. So now just going through the setup process, which still does take a little bit of time, but I was able to just sync over most of my information from my iPhone 10 over to my new iPhone XS Max, and that again took about 5 to 10 minutes to do. But after I got it all set up and running, I was able to take a look at this big new display, which it is a 6.5-inch display, which is their multi-touch HDR display with a resolution of 2688 by 1242 and having 458 ppi pixels per inch. So it's still a really good looking display. You can get a lot of information on it, and so the notch that does house the true depth camera system does make a return, but this display should be able to show off any pictures, videos, anything like that. It should look really good on it. And speaking of pictures, let's talk about the cameras. So on the back you have the dual 12 megapixel cameras, which on paper are going to look very similar, but Apple did improve the sensor, and also they have their new smart HDR capabilities. So a lot of things software based are going to be able to help your pictures come out a lot better. And so I haven't explored the camera just yet, but I took a quick picture indoors of this fake plant, and I do like the detail that I was seeing so far. And I also took a quick selfie with the portrait mode to see how it worked, and it does look better than last year, especially with kind of separating me from the blurred background. So again, I'm gonna explore a lot more things with the cameras in another video coming up. And so I'm gonna wrap things up with a comparison with this iPhone XS Max and last year's iPhone 10, so you can see the size difference. So you may still want to go with the regular iPhone XS if you don't like huge phones, or you may have small hands. But if you like to have a bigger display, you don't mind the extra size, this iPhone XS Max so far feels good. So anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos covering this phone and also other things that were launched today, including the new Apple Watch. So make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on all my social media. Those links are down below. Leave your comment down below what you think about this phone and anything else you want to talk about Apple related today. And like always guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.